Hey guys, I'm Akash and I welcome you all on Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is how to deliver files to your customer on WhatsApp for Instamojo payment. Suppose you are selling some online course and to collect the payments from your customer, you are using an online payment gateway like Instamojo. Now every time a customer makes a payment, you have to send the course file to the customer on WhatsApp manually. If the number of customers are in hundreds, this manual process can be very repetitive and time consuming. So to avoid this problem, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever a customer will make a payment on our Instamojo account, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to the very same customer with the course file. Interesting, right? Now you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can use it for your business? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. Now as you reach on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching on our dashboard, we have to just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. So for example, I'll name this workflow as Instamojo to WhatsApp and click on create. So we can see that our workflow has been created. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So the idea here is we want to capture each and every payment which we receive on our Instamojo account. So to do that, we have to come to our trigger window and in choose app, we have to search for Instamojo. Instamojo it is. And after that, it is asking us for the trigger event. So in trigger event, we will select new sale. So as we select our trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us an webhook URL. So using this webhook URL, we will be connecting our Instamojo payment page or payment link, whatever we create, with Pabbly Connect. So that whenever a customer makes a payment on that payment link or payment page, we can capture the details of that payment. So to use this, we have to go to our Instamojo account. And for example, I just create a new payment link over here. So I'll click on create new, go to payment link, create link. But if you already have a payment link, guys, the process is just the same. You just have to go to the edit section of your payment page or payment link and you can follow this same step to add the webhook URL. So here I have to create a payment link. The purpose is PHP course. For example, I'm selling a PHP course on Instamojo payment and amount is 9 rupees. Just switch to a smart link. PHP course, flat pricing of 9 rupees. The price of the course is, for example, 9 rupees. Next, customize link. And here on update payment link page, here we can see an option named as smart actions. Just select this. And after that, from the drop down, select add webhook. So as we select add webhook, we can see a field which is asking us for the webhook URL. Now, we remember that the webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us, we just have to copy this webhook URL from here, go back to Instamojo and paste it over here and click on done. Now we have successfully connected this payment link which we have just connected with Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a customer will make payment on this payment link, the details of that payment will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is showing us an option waiting for webhook response. Means Pabbly Connect is waiting to collect some details, some response from Instamojo of new sale. So I'll just copy the link of this payment link and in incognito tab, I'll paste the link. Now we will be making a payment. So I'll just enter the details of a dummy customer. For example, Nathan Singh. This is the name of the customer. This is the email address. And this is the phone number. So on this very same phone number, we will send the file or the course file or the product file which we are selling on as a WhatsApp message. So this is the phone number. Just click on next. And now we have to make a live payment. So I'll just make a live payment from my device. and the payment is done. We have successfully received a payment from Nitin Singh, and this is the email address of the customer, and this is the phone number. Now, as I said, we have connected this payment link with Pabbly Connect using a webhook URL. So, as we receive the payment, instantly at the very same time, Pabbly Connect will also receive the details of this payment. So, in Pabbly Connect, here we can see we have received a response over here, and this is the response of the very same payment which we have received on our Instamojo account. But you can see that in these responses, we have the link ID, we also have the payment ID, the status of the payment, currency, and the amount of the payment. But we can't see any details of the customer who made the payment. So from this payment ID, we will be retrieving the details of the customer who made the payment. So we can send the WhatsApp message with the PDF file or the course file which we are selling. To retrieve the customer details, we will scroll down and come to this Actions tab. And here in Choose App, once again we will search for Instamojo. And after that, in Action Event, we can see there are plenty of action events over here. So we will select Get Payment Details. You can read the very same thing, guys, in this important note, which says, note that if you need full details corresponding any transaction ID, then you need to use the Instamojo Get Payment Details event in the next action step. So we have used the Get Payment Details action event over here. We will click on Connect, select Add New Connection, and then we have to enter the private API key and private authentication token of our Instamojo account to connect Instamojo with Pabbly Connect once again. So how we are going to get this? So to get the private API key and the private authentication token of our Instamojo account, we will go back to our Instamojo dashboard. And after reaching our dashboard, we can see on the left side there are multiple options, out of which there is one option named as API and plugins. By clicking on API and plugins, you will get the API key and authentication token of your own Instamojo account. Just copy those details from there, paste it over here, and click on Save. I have already made the connection by entering these details, so I will click on Select Existing Connection and click on Save. So as we connect Instamojo and Pabbly Connect once again using API key and authentication token, here it is asking us for the payment ID. That for which payment ID or which transaction we want to get the details for. So we have received the payment ID over here in the trigger event of our workflow. So when we received a new payment in our Instamojo account, we have received the details of the very same payment inside Pabbly Connect, and in those responses we have seen the payment ID. So we have to map this very same payment ID over here in this field. And the process of mapping is very simple, guys. We just have to click on the field over here, and from the drop down we can see that all the responses which we have received from Instamojo can be seen here. And out of all these responses, we have to select the payment ID. After selecting the payment ID has been mapped. We just have to click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on that, we can see all the transaction details of the very same payment which we made can be seen here. So we have the amount of the payment. We also have the name of the customer who made the payment, Nitin Singh, whose details we entered on the payment page. Now, this is the phone number which he has entered, and this is the email address. So the very first step of our automation is successfully completed, guys. We have connected our Instamojo account with Pabbly Connect so that whenever we will receive a new payment on our Instamojo account, the details of that payment will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And in the next step, in the action step, we have also retrieved the details of the customer who actually made the payment. Now, after retrieving it, now we want to send the PDF file or the course file or the product which you are selling to the customer on the WhatsApp message. For that, I'll scroll down and click on Add Action Step button. And here in Choose App, we have to select WhatsApp Cloud API to send the WhatsApp messages. This is WhatsApp Cloud API. And after selecting WhatsApp Cloud API, in Action Event, we have to select Send Template Message. Click on Connect. Now, basically, I have created my own WhatsApp Cloud API account. So we have a separate dedicated video on how you can create your own WhatsApp Cloud API account and connect it with Pabbly Connect. So I'll suggest you that the link of that video will be in the description box below. So go watch that video so you can create or set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account and use it. After creating the account, we have to just click on Add New Connection button over here, and it is asking us for some details of our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So basically, these details are the token number, the phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So to collect these details, I'll take you to the business app which I have created inside Facebook for developers for using the WhatsApp Cloud API. So guys, this is the dashboard of the app which I have created for my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So what are these apps, what is this dashboard, and what are details we can see here? For that, as I told you, you can see the reference video which we have created for WhatsApp Cloud API account. So when you will set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account, you will get this, and after setting up, you will reach this dashboard. Or on this page, we can see that there are three different details over here. One is temporary access token, second number is phone number ID, and third is WhatsApp business account ID. So basically, these are the three details which Pabbly Connect is asking us to make the connection with WhatsApp Cloud API. So first, we'll copy the phone number ID and paste it over here. Then we'll go back to this page, we'll copy the WhatsApp business account ID and paste it over here. After pasting the WhatsApp business account ID, it is asking us for the token. And then the help text is enter system user generated permanent token as explained here. And here is a hyperlink. Let's click here. So the issue here is, guys, the token, access token which we can see here is a temporary access token which will expire every 24 hours. But there is a way you can generate your own permanent access token which will never expire. And how you can generate that token? For that, you can just click here, and by clicking here, you will be redirected to a page on our forum. And we have a complete thread that how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account, as well as how you can generate your own permanent access token, which will never expire. So I just suggest you to watch these two videos so you can generate your permanent access token for once, and then you can use the same token forever. After generating the access token, just enter that access token over here and click on save. I have already generated and made the connection, so I'll click on select existing connection and click on save. Now, as we click on save, our WhatsApp Cloud API account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making the connection, we can see that there are some fields over here. And the field is template name. The first field is template name. Now you must be thinking, what are these templates? So templates are basically some predefined messages which we are willing to send to our customers. So basically, to avoid the spamming of WhatsApp messages, we have to first create a template message inside WhatsApp Cloud API. And after creating that template message, we have to get that template approved from Facebook. And after the approval, we can send the WhatsApp message to a customer using that template. So in the drop down below template name, you can see there are plenty of template messages available here. These are all the same templates which I have already created in my WhatsApp Cloud API account. I'll just show you. We'll go back to this dashboard page of our app, and after reaching here, we'll scroll down and we can see there is a step 2. And after this sentence, we have an hyperlink over here. Just click on this hyperlink and we have received the message template page of our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So here on this page, you can see all the template messages which I have created in my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and the list of same template messages can be seen here in Pabbly Connect. If you want, by clicking on this button, create message template, you can create your own template message. After clicking on this button, it is asking us for the category, that the message you are willing to send is in which category. Is it a transactional message, marketing, or one-time password? You can select your category according to your message. For example, I select a transactional message. Then it is asking us for the name of this template. For example, I'll name this template as test1, and then we have to select the language in which we are sending the message. For example, English US. Then click on continue. And after clicking on continue, we have to actually create a template over here. So we can add some headers in our template. For example, header text or media. In media, we can send image, video, or PDF file as we will be sending in this video. So we have added a header here. After the header, here comes the actual body of the messages. So here you can type the actual message which you are willing to send. And in this message, you can also add some variables, some body fields. These variables are basically some dynamic values which we can change according to every sending message. So after hello, for example, here I have added a variable in curly braces, which means after hello, if I want to enter the name of the customer, I can change the name of the customer for every sending message according to their payment details. In this way, you can create your whole template over here and add variables again to it according to your requirement. After the body, here comes the footer and button. So you must have noticed that there are some call to action button in your WhatsApp message or what's the business promotional messages which you receive on WhatsApp. So these are the same kind of button. For example, here if you choose a call to action button, a template call to action button will be added here. For example, I'll add name as call me. So here a call to action button has been added in a WhatsApp message. You can just change or customize these details according to your needs. So this in this way, you can create a template message for your own WhatsApp Cloud API account and use it. So out of all these templates which I have, the template which I will be using in this video to send a PDF file or a PDF document or PDF codes on my Instamojo payment, the name of that payment template is PDF on Pay. I'll just open this template, and this is the kind of message I will be sending to my customers who made the payment. This message says, hello Roger. So after Roger, you can see in the body, this is a dynamic field. This is a variable. So I will be entering the name of the customer after this field. Then this message says, this is a confirmation that we have just received your secure online payment. Please download the attachment. Don't hesitate to contact us with any question or concern. Regards, Pabbly team. So here at last, you can see that there is also a second variable over here. So we can also change the business name over here if we want. And you can see there is a header attachment over here in this WhatsApp message. There is a document attached. We have selected a media header file as a document over here. So we will be using PDF on Pay as a template. So we will go back to Pabbly Connect and search for this template PDF on Pay. PDF on Pay. And after selecting our template, the language code and template ID is automatically detected, so we don't have to make any changes over here. Then it is asking us for the recipient mobile number. So in this field, we have to enter the mobile number of the customer who made the payment. And in our action step where we have retrieved the details of the customer, we have also received the phone number or the mobile number of the customer file who made the payment. So we just have to map this very same number over here in this field. So we'll just click here, and from the drop down, we will map this phone number. This is the phone number. And now if we read the help text over here, it says enter the recipient mobile number with country code without plus sign. So we have to enter the 10-digit mobile number of our customer, but with country code and without the plus sign. Now usually what we enter is either the 10-digit mobile number or the country code, mobile number with country code and plus sign. So here we have to enter the country code but not the plus sign actually. So I am in India, so I'll manually add the country code of the of my nation, that is 91. After entering the country code and recipient mobile number, here it is asking us for header document URL. So as I shown you in our template, we are sending a header document, a PDF file, a course file. So we have to actually enter the PDF link, the link of that actual file which we are willing to send. So I'll show you, I have a link of the PDF file which I'm willing to sell, and this is the PDF file. So I will just copy the link of PDF link of this file and paste it over here in the header document URL. After that, it is asking us for a header document file name. So the document which we are sending on WhatsApp, we have to give this file or header a name. So I'll name this header as PHP course. Then here comes the body field 1 and body field 2. So we have created two different body fields in our template. The body field 1 was for the name of the customer, and the body field 2 was for the business name from which we are sending up. Means basically our business name. So in body field 1, we'll just click here, and from the drop down from Instamojo responses, we will map the name of the customer. And in body field 2, we will just enter the name of our name, the name of our own business. From this business name, we are sending this message. For example, I'll enter Pabbly. So basically, after entering all these details, making all the connections and mapping all the data, we just have to click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received a response over here, and it seems to be a positive response to me. This response shows we have successfully sent a template message by the template which we have selected on this number. So let's check the WhatsApp account of this number. So here I have the WhatsApp account, and yes guys, as you can see, here we have received a new WhatsApp message on this number which says hello Nitin Singh, means the name of the customer who's the same name which we have entered while making the dummy payment. This is a confirmation that we have just received your secure online payment. Please download the attachment. Don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or concern. Regards, Pabbly team. And we have a attachment, a PDF file attached to this. I'll download the PDF file. And the file is downloaded, and I'll show you. This is this very same file whose link we have entered in Pabbly Connect. So this is the very same file, guys. So we saw that the automation or the workflow which we have created in this video is working successfully fine. Now let's just test this workflow in real time. We'll go back to our Instamojo account, and we have created a payment link named as PHP course. So this is the payment link, and now we'll make a test payment for this link. So I'll just click on send, copy the link. Once again, I'll paste this link in incognito tab. And we will make a new payment using the details of a new customer. For example, I'll name the customer as Akash Kumar and enter an email address. And a phone number. The same phone number, guys, on which we'll send the WhatsApp message. So if the customer names changes their phone number, the message will be sent to the very same number which customer has entered. Just click on next. Let's make the payment. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully received another payment from the customer named as Akash Kumar. This is the email address and this is the phone number. Now, as we receive the payment, automatically we will send a WhatsApp message on the phone number of our customer with the course file we are selling. Now let's check the WhatsApp account. And yes, guys, here we can see we have successfully received another WhatsApp message with the course file on the number of the customer as a WhatsApp message. So this message says, "Hello Akash Kumar," means name of the customer who made the successful payment. This is a confirmation that we have just received your secure online payment. Please download the attachment. Don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or concerns. Regards, Pabbly team. So this is the same template message, guys, which we have created inside WhatsApp Cloud API. And we have attached the PDF course file which we are selling to it. And this is the very same course file. Now, so guys, we have tested this automation in real time. That is, automation is working perfectly fine. Now, one more thing, guys, we have to add a filter in this automation. So to ensure that we send the course file on every successful payment only, for that, we have to just click here at Add Action Step button after the trigger. And in between our trigger and action window, we will be in Choose app, we will be searching for filter. This is the filter. So we will be adding a filter that if the status of the payment is successful, then only we will be sending messages to our customer. And if the status of the payment is not successful or it is something else, then we will not send the number to the we will not send the WhatsApp message to the user. So guys, for that we have, after selecting filter by Pabbly, here in select label in the drop down we can see all the responses which we have received from trigger. So in all those responses we will select status, and in filter type we will select equals to, and the value we will enter successful. So the value is successful. So basically we are telling this automation that if the payment status is equal to successful, then only we will be sending the WhatsApp message. And if the payment status is something else other than successful, then we won't be sending the WhatsApp message or the course file on WhatsApp. After entering the value, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And it says the condition is true. So when the condition is true, the workflow will be executed further. Or if this condition is not true, or if this condition is false, then the workflow will be terminated at this point only. So guys, now the workflow is completed. We made sure that we send the course file on successful payments only. So not just these applications, guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more thing, you will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that clone link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.